This is how to use the camera on a Chromebook. First, in the corner of your screen, click on the launcher. Then, click on Camera. If it doesn't come up, you can just type it in. When it opens, you will see this. On the right-hand side, there are 3 options: Video, Photo, and Square. On the left-hand side of the camera app, there are also settings. Click on the gear. There you can add a grid, a timer, and you can change the camera resolution. If you want to flip your camera, click on the flip camera button. If you want to turn on the grid, click on the grid button. If you want to turn on the timer, click on the little stopwatch on the bottom left-hand corner. If it is not crossed out, it means that it's on. If you want to take a photo, click on Photo and make sure it's surrounded by a white oval. Then, click on the gray circle and it will take a photo. Once you do that, the photo will show up on the bottom left-hand side. If you want to take a video, click on Video and make sure it's surrounded by a white oval. Then, click on the white circle with the red dot in the middle. When it turns red with the white square in it, it means that it's recording. If you want to pause the recording, click on the pause button below the red circle with the white square. If you want to take a photo while the video is recording, click on the gray circle above the red circle with the white square. To stop recording, click on the red circle with the white square. And finally, if you want to take a square photo, click on Square and make sure it's surrounded by a white oval. To take a picture, click on the white circle. To view your photos or videos, click on the gallery, which is on the bottom right-hand side. If you want to delete, click on the trash can. If you want to zoom in, click on the zoom in button. If you want to zoom out, click on the zoom out button. If you want to change the photo's size or flip it on its side, click on the crop and rotate button. To rotate the photo, click here or here. You can play around with the sizes by clicking on these. When you're done, click on the Done button on the top right. Click on the lighting filters if you want to change the exposure, contrast, or saturation. Then, when you're done with all your changes, click on Save. To view your other photos and videos, click on the arrows. All of your photos and videos are automatically saved to your files. Thank you.